is the time for you to build your foundation, as after a certain age, it becomes difficult to learn or change your attitude. As students, you all will be facing situations where you will be working on multiple assignments or back to back exams. Please understand that this situation is just not testing you in terms of assignment, but also how you handle the pressure. In your professional careers, you will be facing situations where you will be working on multiple projects, maybe reporting to multiple bosses and clients. Every stakeholder will want you to prioritize their work. So it is up to you how you manage that kind of situation. The current situation of assignments and exams may seem to be like very basic in comparison to that situation, but this situation is actually preparing you to later how you handle these situations later on. So please do not complain. As I understand, many of you are working on individual assignments, but once you're back in campus, you will be working on group assignments too. Me, there will be one black sheep in the team who either does not know or does not want to work. You'll be facing this situation in your professional careers too. And to make matters worse, this black sheep can be a senior. So you need to learn how to work in such a team setting where you need to balance performance versus people. Group assignments are a great way to do that. As a student, one thing I hated was giving presentations. My hate was due to the fact that I was never a good speaker. I'm still not. I know that I speak fast, and if I try slowing, I start forgetting. But I realize that presentations are an essential part of professional lives as no one has time to go through a 50-page report. While I did not do much about improving my speaking skills, but I figured out that I can deliver high quality content and it can differentiate me from others. And it actually helped. I remember that after getting placement from college, we had a week long orientation in the first company. So that was Quest Global. On the last day of orientation, we were supposed to present on different topics. We were 20 odd new joinees from different colleges and were divided into 5 groups of 4 members each. Our topic was top line or bottom line. The business focus on. So top line means your revenue and bottom line means your profitability. So I could do better research than others, so our content was better than other groups. We were praised by the audience that comprised of the CEO, GMs, and several other senior managers of the organization. My efforts were praised in particular as and I was one of the few among 5,000 odd employees in the organization whose name the CEO remembered. Also, I was given interested projects from starting by the managers, and I was involved in strategic projects like valuation, fundraising, mergers acquisitions, and I was not involved in your day-to-day operations. As I was able to show in that presentation that I understand the bigger picture. So please use this time to build a very strong foundation for yourself, because take it like this as a practice session before you will have to actually play a game.